Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making chicken tikka masala. So the ingredients are 10 to 12 cashews, 1 small mace, 1 or 2 green chilies that seeds have been removed, 1 spoon of ginger and garlic, 1 cup onion, 1.5 cup finely chopped tomatoes, some coriander, some salt, some garam masala, coriander powder, kitchen king, and red chili powder, some cream, and some marinated chicken that I have a link down below. So let's get started. So I've put my chicken in here already, and I'm going to air fry it till the chicken gets golden brown and kind of cooked. So let's get started on the masala part of the chicken. So let's get started. Hi everyone, so I have put my pan to medium flame, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 big spoon of clarified butter in there, and we are going to put our mace, our small mace in there, and roast it for like about 10 seconds now. And there we go. And we are also going to put our onions in, and we are going to roast. And we are going to roast the onions till they get golden brown. So see you then. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, my onions are now golden brown. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my ginger and garlic paste in. There we go. And I'm going to add my cashews and stir this for 30 seconds, about 30 seconds. There we go. Now we're going to add our tomatoes, and after we add the tomatoes, we're going to wait till the oil releases, okay? Now we are going to cook this until the oil releases from the tomatoes. So see you then. Hi guys, so I'm actually going to add 1 spoon of tomato paste because for me it gives color, but it's completely optional. So you don't have to put it in, but I'm gonna. So just wanted to tell you that, and see you when the tomatoes have started to release some oil. Welcome back. So as you can see, my masala has started to release some oil, as you can see on the sides there, underneath. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to add our spices in, like that. And we're going to mix it for about like 30 seconds. And what we're going to do after is we're going to let this cool down and put it in a mixer. I'm going to be using this magic bullet, but any mixer is fine, and we're going to puree this. So I like to, you don't have to puree it, but I like to because it kind of makes it mixed up. So see you when it's back. So as you can see, I have pureed my masala. What I'm going to do now is I put my gas on low flame, my heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of butter in the same pan and add the rest of my puree. I also added like 3/4 cup of water in this puree because it was too thick. So when it's really easy to grind, pretty easy, then it should be done. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm also going to run it with I'm going to add a bit of water and run it again so that it gets all of the puree out. Because as you can see, there's still some in. So I'm going to add some water, puree it again, take it out, and so about that much water. And there we go. And so as you can see, my puree is now basically all in. So now we're going to mix it, and welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I put my gravy on low flame. It is all done now, so it's almost done. What we're going to do is we're going to add 1 spoon honey, which I forgot to mention the ingredients earlier. 1 spoon honey. There we go. 1 spoon honey. And we are also going to add a little bit of this cream. Not too much, just a little bit so that the color turns a little bit lighter, as you can see now what my color is. And you can either add chicken in this or paneer. I'm going to be right back as I'm going to pop my chicken out of the air fryer. So see you guys. So I split my gravy into 2 pans, and I'm going to add my paneer in one of them here, and I'm going to add my chicken in the other one here, like that. And now basically 2 dishes are ready. One is chicken tikka masala, is paneer tikka masala. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm going to just plate it and be right back. And see you guys when it's plated. Welcome back. So both of my dishes are here. I'm going to take a bit of cream and just kind of pour it on top like that. Make it all look all pretty. There we go. Make it look all pretty. And we're going to put our green chilies from before that I didn't took the seeds out, and like that. And some on the paneer. Like that. And some cilantro on both. And there it is, guys, your chicken tikka masala and paneer tikka masala. So see you guys next time. Please subscribe and comment down below how it turned out for you, and see you guys next time. Bye.